Yeah. So awareness was the goal last time, and this time we'll take. Which all campaigns have we launched, Mohit, last time?
So we launched awareness and traffic.
Okay. Okay. So I'll show it to you engagement leads and other one. Okay. Engagement. Okay. So see what happens with engagement. So basically you are getting more messages. You can either get messages or video views or post engagement or page like or page follow. So this is what happens in the engagement kind of campaign. If you are looking for to grow your page followers, number of followers have to grow. So in that case, you can pick the engagement campaign and you can build the audience base for your page, right? If you are looking for getting messages on your messenger application from the customers directly, you can go with this campaign, right? If you want more views to the videos, you have done a very good video and you want more views to the video, you can go with this campaign, right? And if you are looking for people to react to your post, like your post, comment on your post, right? Or if you want people to be calling to your phone number, so in all the scenarios this engagement campaign is going to be super useful. Did you all get that, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So just select this goal and click on continue. Choose a campaign setup. Create your engagement campaign using a tailored and streamlined setup or manually build your campaign. Suggestions may vary based on your recent ad account activity. Tailored message campaign. Quickly create a campaign optimized to help get more messages at the best value. Present settings include advantage plus placements, highest volume bid strategy, and more. One second, guys. Okay. So don't go with this first setting. So this is by default advantage plus placements. So over there optimized. We on Google Ads we have seen optimized, right? So here it is advantage plus. Go with the manual. See, you can go with this one also, but better go with manual engagement campaign. You will have better control over your settings. Okay. You can go with one of them as per your choice. Okay. See, it's very difficult to decide which one is going to perform best. You might have to experiment this and understand this as well. If you need more control on your settings, go with the manual one. For now, since this being a test campaign, I'm going with tailored message campaign, or maybe let me go with manual only. So it's clearly written control over all settings. Yeah. New engagement campaign. I'll call it as test. So it doesn't belong to any of these categories, so you don't have to select bidding type auction, or you'll have other kinds of bidding like reservation. Go with auction. If you're going with reservation, you'll have to always pay more. Campaign objective engagement, this is by default taken what we have selected in the first step. So advantage campaign budget plus no ARB testing off. We have discussed about ARB testing. You have to create ad set. Choose where you want to divert engagement. Messaging or app on your ad, calls, website, app, Facebook page. So where should this engagement happen? Where should this engagement happen? On messaging apps, on your ad or calls or website or app. These are the different options which you can pick and expect the engagement to happen. If the engagement is on messaging app, you will receive messages. If it's on your ad, they would probably like your ad, share your ad or comment on your ad. If it is on calls, you would receive a call. If it is website, people will be sent to your website. If it is app, get people to engage with your app. They would install your app plus they would perform certain actions on your app. But mainly it's about app installation, right? Facebook page, they will go to your page, explore about, they will follow your page or subscribe or like your page, right? These are the different conversions that you can opt for. Okay, so you can pick all these options. Bid control, Meta will aim to spend your entire budget and get the most results using the highest volume bid strategy. You can set a bid, I don't want to spend more than 3 rupees per click. So budget, daily budget, I'll set it as 200. See, you can increase your budget during specific time periods. Let's not look into it for now. Target location. You can change this 40 kilometer to any number of kilometers. So maybe 20 kilometers surrounding Bangalore. So past users of your website, you can go with this option, all website visitors. Currently it's not set properly, so it doesn't have information. It just says not much. But anyways, we are selecting it. Some audience selection. So placements, choose where your ad appears across meta technologies. You, that's okay. Let it be advantage based placements. Your budget will be allocated. See, you can take control. See, your ad will be shown in the feed, in the stories, in the messenger. Uh, to the right side, there are multiple places, right? So now you can take control over this also. You can allocate less budget for showing in messenger on high budget in the feed. You can control over it, but that's not needed. If you want to control, you just click on show more options and you take control of it. Otherwise that's okay. Okay, so you have to create an ad copy, right? Single image or video or carousel ad. Carousel ads, multiple images will be scrolling one after the other. Single image or video is only one image or only one video, either of them. Okay, so add video or add,
So,
yeah.
what's the multi-advertiser ads? It's multi-advertiser ads.
Okay, so your ads can appear alongside other ads in the same ad unit to help people discover products and services from businesses that are personalized to them. Your ad creative may be resized or cropped to fit in. See now, these ads will be shown whenever there are similar relevant ads already happening. Next to those ads, your ads will be shown. Your ads can appear alongside other ads in the same ad unit to help people discover products and services from businesses that are personalized to them. Your ad creative may be resized or cropped to fit the ad units. Did you understand? So already there is an ad shown. Next to it, a personalized ad is served to the user by some other company, right? So now in this place, your ad also will be shown. That's what about multi-advertiser ads. Okay, something like this. See, above there is one ad, and below there are so many other ads shown. Do you see that? The primary ad is in the top, and below you can, based on what you submit, select more businesses to contact. See, you have interacted with this Lawn Your Beauty. You are mainly interacting with this ad, and you can inquire with this ad. Now Facebook is showing ads of other companies also and giving an option. You can make these people also contact you or approach these people also. You just have to click the check boxes. Simultaneously, a lead will be sold to multiple people. So it's something like this. You are interacting with Contra Digital, and below Contra Digital it shows few other digital marketing training agencies. Mohit, sorry, not training agencies, digital marketing agencies, Mohit Digital Agency or some other agency. And now this inquiry is not only, if I'm submitting this, if you are selecting the checkbox, this will be Mohit Digital Agency, right? Somebody else, A, B, C, D Digital. There are 4, 5, 6 different digital marketing agencies ads here. If you are selecting this, your contact details will go to all of these agencies, not only in the top. Got it? That is multi-advertiser ads. Okay, you all got it, right? Below the ad or
Yes.
next to ad, relevant ad, already it's grouping and showing it the same place, right? So if you observe it, the checkboxes, your ad is not really of that size. It is shrinking it to a small size. It is shrinking it to a small size and just showing the heading of your ad and a small brief over that, right? It's not really giving you a prominent visibility or presence for your ad. Okay, that's
So
actually,
it's always better to go with single image or video or carousel.
you can pick the option single image or video or okay, you are asking which is better.
I'm asking which is better, like to avoid multi
Always,
advertisement.
yeah, it depends on your product or service also. Always a video ad will be highly effective, right? A video ad, a single video ad will be highly effective. People don't prefer to watch multiple videos. See, now this carousel, two or more scrollable images or videos. Images should be fine, and do you think people will pay so much of attention? See, if it is jewelry or maybe some special categories are there, in those scenarios carousel is fine. If I'm speaking about one single service company and having too much information or details over there, may not be engaging thing also for the user, or it can be engaging also. It depends on the industry. So Facebook has given you an option. See, it's not going to be the same for all the industries. For some industries or businesses, carousel would work very well, and for some, the single video or single image would work very well, right? So, and moreover, if you want people to place a lead inquiry quickly, go with single image or single video. Carousel, they keep spending the time there, and if you have lots of information, and if you think people, if you have a big catalog basically, in those scenarios, you can go with carousel. Otherwise, always prefer the single video thing. Over image, always prefer video. Images also should suffice, right? Because your main focus is to communicate key information, and the image can hold all of that information, whereas a video may not necessarily hold it.
For example, sir, banking sector, if we are taking any client from bank side, so we can go for single image in that creative.
Okay, banks are promoting about their business on social media and they can go with.
Single image.
Yes, but that's not necessarily they can go. See, that they might think, okay, so about their scheme, let's say mutual funds or maybe insurance, they'll have multiple slides educating. You go with this insurance plan, vehicle insurance. See, it depends on what they want to communicate. If they have lots of, they want to communicate about health insurance, about vehicle insurance, about something else, they would put multiple slides and make a carousel only for the insurance ad, and every slide will have different kind of information, and they would expect people would opt either the health insurance or vehicle insurance, something else, correct?
Yes, sir.
So
So
it
based
depends on the
on the
goal.
client
Yes,
requirement, we have to
yes,
choose the
yes.
option.
See, as a digital marketer, you are planning to show multiple products or services of your business in one single ad. In those scenarios, a carousel ad could be effective. In same budget, you are showing various kinds of services pertaining to your business, right? See, both health insurance and vehicle insurance both are applicable for everybody, correct? So you can let people opt either health insurance or vehicle insurance. See, now for some people you are showing vehicle insurance ad, but they are not looking for vehicle insurance, they are looking for health insurance, so they will not place lead with you. And few other people are looking for vehicle insurance and you are showing health insurance ad, so they will not place lead. When both are shown, you are satisfying both of them, correct? So same campaign would get most benefits, correct? Reap maximum from your campaign, the way how you run it, correct? Okay. So last time we have seen image, you can upload an image, give an heading, headline, and couple of other things. So this account doesn't allow us to publish, right? It's all going to be the same. Just the goal will change, and we have to understand what is that goal and why we have to pick that goal. That's the only difference. Otherwise, it's all the same thing. Facebook back to a decade had only one or two options. We did not had this many options. Eventually, in course of time, they started introducing. It's the same thing because it's the same thing. They're just trying to grab attention or benefit from advertiser in multiple ways. Okay. So now next thing, primary text, headline, image or video, whatever's call to action. So we'll be able to see how the ad looks like if you're uploading all of these details. Ad media, ad image. Let me pick some image. Just click on next. So some sizes may have issues. So even in that case, it doesn't allow you to publish. So, so the preview is also getting loaded. Yeah, this is how it looks on Instagram feed, Instagram stories, Facebook video feeds. So just a preview of whatever content you put. It shows how it looks. Send message can be anything of your choice, right? type of the where it is getting displayed. Okay, that's all. Your ad is ready and you will be publishing it. Right. See, both, there's no different based on the type of where it is placed. The text would, they have given the name. They should simply call it as text fields. Headline will be most of the times shown when your ad. Yeah, correct. When your ad is displayed in the search results down, primary text is by default shown always most of the times. Right? Headline text is shown as an additional piece of information based on the places where it is displayed. See, it's easier. All of you can sign up for these accounts. You just try doing. See, this is see this. So you can open an account on your own, and you can launch any number of campaigns or of any type, and you should start uploading all these details. It's all very easy to do, and you have to figure out. So if you could do it properly, see now listening here is fine, but you have to understand if you are really capable of reproducing this. Definitely you will be able to, but you have to do it and you have to understand how easy or difficult it is for you to go and launch a campaign.
So about the lead ads different from all of the other campaigns, right?
Lead ads will launch a lead ad campaign now. I'll show it to you. Lead ad campaign, there are two good things. You have to build a form. You have to build which all details have to be collected from the customer. See, lead ad also same thing. When you are interacting with that image or video, it shows when you interact, when you click on it, it opens the form and it collects your email ID, phone number, or whatever fields, whichever fields you define. That's the only difference. There's no difference at all. The only difference is when an end user is interacting with our ad, a form opens up. And while launching this campaign, you have to build that form. Build in the sense you're not really going to code. See, this is a dummy ad. This is short headline. Short headline is shown here on Instagram. This is a short headline and primary text. Primary text, you see the different types of ads. See, primary text it's shown. This is the short headline, is a headline which is appearing here on the image. This is a dummy.
Stuck.
Oh, is it? Okay. See, primary text is always shown above your image. You must have seen right above image. Read more.
Yes, sir.
Read more. That kind of text is the primary text. Headline is what goes on the image or right below the image. Primary text is above the image, the text part. So when you are publishing, see on organic posts also we have seen right tags part, image part, the description, it was called as description. In the organic post it was called as description, and here see look at this is a dummy. Okay, and you can add multiple such text based on the place it's showing it. The Facebook platform itself or Instagram itself would pick the text of its choice. You can have multiple primary texts. I'm not going to click on it. Look at this primary text. This is a dummy ad you see here. It's above the image and your headline is right below the image or part of the image. It looks like part of the image. You just have to publish it, that's all. We cannot publish it because there is an issue with this account. Methods of launching the other types of campaigns. Okay, so leads. See, all the steps are same whichever campaign you launch. There's no difference. Yeah, and I can give names of my choice, campaign names, ad set name, whatever. I'll leave for now everything as it is, right? Yeah, these are all what we have selected. There's nothing much here to select. In the next stage, we have to select certain things like audiences and all. Yeah, look at this. It says instant forms. Conversion locations. There's a detailed where you expect the conversion to happen. See, what is a conversion? First, you all, I believe you all knows. Conversion is you expecting or you achieving the end goal. Like the conversion is now somebody calling to your phone number can be a conversion, or somebody filling a form and this form can be filled on your mobile phone, sorry, on the Facebook and Instagram platform, or on your website, or somebody installing an app. Anything can be a conversion. Okay, right? Or somebody coming to
Yes.
your website and buying it also can be a conversion. You can define see, for business to business, conversion vary. For training business, somebody inquiring is conversion. For Amazon and Facebook, somebody purchasing on their website is conversion. Correct. And some other business might have set a conversion. If somebody is calling to their number, it's a conversion. Or somebody is installing their app, then it's conversion. Or somebody is signing up an account on their platform, it's a conversion. So they can define it to be of anything they want. Right, choose where you want to generate leads. Right, you want performance goal, maximum number of leads, maximum number of conversion leads. We will try to show your ads to people most likely to share their contact information with you. So Facebook knows already who are interested to share contact details. Cost per result. So what is your
So,
cost per, yeah,
so from the which one is better?
which from
Maximum
where,
number.
which one here,
Which one
conversion,
is no.
uh,
Maximum number of plates or
maximum
maximum
number of
number.
leads and maximum number of conversion. It will try to show your ads to the people most likely to convert after sharing their contact information with you. We will try to show your ads to people most likely to share their contact information with you. Again, see, these are all gimmicks from Facebook. So they are telling that we will get maximum number of leads from the people who are willing to fill the form. See, if 1,000 people are filling the form, but after you call them, if they are not buying, you will not get the business. Correct? And second scenario is they are telling that we will try to show your ads to the people most likely to convert after sharing their contact information with you. You go with the second option. Maximize number of conversion leads. But what is the problem with the second option is they are smartly collecting your weaknesses. See, see, Facebook itself, see, it's something like you're taking an admission into a school. So you are joining into a school or a college, and college is telling that you pay 10 lakhs to me, I will give you quality education, otherwise not. See, if you're paying 9 lakhs, they mean that they are not giving quality education to you. That's actually a flaw, but they're smartly communicating it. Here, with these two options, you can go with one of them. Just that with these two options, they are trying to understand about your weakness. The moment you pick the second option, they will charge you more. The first option will give you the leads, but second option, they are telling that we will try giving you the leads that will convert, but both are same. We have received maximized number of leads, and we get leads, and when we speak or approach to them, they will convert. They all will convert. Majority of them will convert. They're all relevant. But when you pick the second option, again they will also have to be relevant, correct? See, Facebook is not showing to some. See, targeting is you are setting a targeting that you have to show to men or women or age group or designation or whatsoever it is. Correct? In both the cases, ad is been shown to people whom you have picked. But now they are trying to assure you that we will get a lead which will convert. But again, on the second point, also, we will not assure you anything. Their terms and conditions or their policy, if you go through their policy, Facebook's policy, they're just trying to collect you psychologically. They are reading you by giving these options and collecting. If you don't want to spend more, you go with the first option. Just
Yes,
focus.
because conversions are known to nobody. Like nobody knows who are going to be converted.
Correct. And we have no clue how Facebook is going to understand who is going to convert.
Exactly.
Correct. See, now they are trying to simply learn from this. See, they could have put, okay, so I'll charge more, I'll charge less. Something like that. Conversions with low conversion price, conversions leads with higher cost per lead, leads with lower cost per lead. Their option could have been something like that. Correct? So, but when you ask this question, how will you know Facebook? Facebook says, no, we have data, we have system built in place. We have seen that people purchasing most often, and hence they will. They are predicting again. We have seen people purchasing most often, and hence they will purchase. See, you are relying on them for your business, and they are okay if you are not buying it from or not using their platform. They are not forcing you to use. Okay, so be careful. My suggestion is go with the first option. Second option is very tempting. You all would question, see, what is the point of going with the first option if we are simply getting leads and not converting? See, that means Facebook itself is telling, I will give you useless leads through first option, correct? In second option, it is telling that I will give you the leads, but which will convert. What is the point of me running a lead campaign if these are not converting? Correct?
Correct, sir.
Yes, correct, sir.
See, ideally speaking, Facebook has to give a lead, all are converting. If not, why will we use Facebook? Right? So it's difficult for Facebook also to understand which one will convert, but here it is trying to give an assurance that the leads that you received, there are good chances. See, from first scenario, from 100 leads, you might get only 10 sales. In second scenario, from 100 leads, you might get 20 sales. That is what they are trying to assure. They are not even assuring, they are just asking you. We will try to show your ads to the people most likely to convert after sharing their contact information with you. And here in the first information, they are going to show it to everybody who are not interested also. That's what they mean. See, first point.
Conversions nobody can predict,
Correct.
sir. It totally depends upon the price,
Correct.
people,
Correct.
Product, everything.
Correct. See, in the first point, what are they writing? We will try to show your ads to people most likely to share their contact information with you. So, Facebook knows who are blindly using it and sharing their contact details to businesses, and Facebook also knows who are with all their what do you call that as senses, with proper understanding. So there are two types of people now on Facebook. They'll simply fill the forms, submit their details, and second scenarios, they will read, understand. If they are really serious and interested, then only they will fill the form. That's what Facebook is speaking, but they have put it in a different way without conveying it. right? See, my suggestion is go with the first option. Your cost per lead will be low. Yeah. So it is again asking cost per lead, how much you would like to spend. I want to spend 20 rupees per lead, or 50 rupees, or 100 rupees. So if you are putting 20 rupees, you may not get any leads. The moment you change it to 40, 50, or you can keep it open also. You can keep it open. It charges any amount of its choice, maybe 90 rupees, 100 rupees, 300 rupees, 200 rupees. But if you want to really put a cap to it, you don't want to spend more than 50 rupees per lead, you can set it. But don't set it. You have no clue, right, at this moment. Catalog, select a catalog. You want to show products like Google Merchant Center, or Google Product, Google Shopping ad. Same way here, you can show the products on Facebook and Instagram. I'll show it to you if it is generating. The next stage, it will ask you for the instant forms, the form details, what all you want to collect. So here, look at this. You can create the form, email and full name. That's all it's asking. So now you can customize this form. Okay. So content, form type, more volume, higher intent, rich creative. Okay, higher intent, direct form. Okay. Uh, so you can customize this form by adding various kinds of details around it. I'll show it to you. Okay, here also you can add some headlines, paragraph, or list that will motivate them to fill the form. Okay, so this way it shows up, or you can email, full name, phone number, contact fields, phone number. So not to have too many details, just get this, and user information, demographics, work information, national ID number. Uh, See, you have limited set of things. You cannot have too many fields or too much of information here, right? So you can display, add customer disclaimer, privacy, enter some information, and you will have to also enter a link of your website here. Okay. To add a link, highlight the
So
word that you want. Yeah. Yeah. Please
yeah,
tell
how
me.
we can how we can submit the privacy and policy.
How we can.
Submit the privacy and policy.
Okay. One second. Add a link. See now, your website should compulsorily have a privacy policy on your website if you have to run a Facebook lead campaign. Okay. So you are going to bring that link from your website and copy paste it. So okay. Privacy policy. See, you have your telling privacy policy here or any text.
Okay, so
That's all.
what we will do? We don't have a website.
If you don't have a website, so here
Sir, in that case,
disclaimer
people.
here. If you don't have it, your privacy calls policy, you need to have it.
No, sir. A prior policy generator is there where we can go and we have to enter the email ID and business name. They will create a form.
Correct, correct. See, you can have it on any platform. Just a link is needed.
Correct, sir.
No, but you
Any
cannot go
third
without that
party
link.
app.
See, what I'm trying to tell is you cannot go without any link here. It can be your website or anywhere you are creating whatsoever. You have to compulsorily submit a privacy policy link. It can be see now it can be your Google Drive also. The privacy policy link can't go directly to a PDF file, JPEG file, image, or download. But see, if it is going to a Google Drive file link also, that's okay. But you have to.
Prior policy
Yeah,
generator.
third party, right? Third party.
Yes, yes, yes. You have to go there and you have to just write the business name and email ID. They will create a form and link. Copy paste.
You can simply have it on a Google Doc also and put that link here. You can do whatever you want. It ideally speaking, it has to be on the website. If it is not there on the website, you go do create it anywhere you want and put it here. So what Anjum is suggesting is there is a third party platform which is creating a convenience for you. It just takes the name of your business and it creates the privacy policy which is common,
Yes, sir.
right? If you have specific
Yes.
communication that you want to make with regard to your business, you have to give the input points and that can be given to the third party or on your website or on the Google Doc also. But link is compulsory here. Privacy policy where it is coming from is a different thing, but you have to compulsorily put a link. Okay.
Yes.
You can add additional notices such as marketing opt-ins and legal disclaimers to the default Facebook privacy disclaimers, terms and conditions of Canada Foods. Okay, it shows like this title. You can replace that and you can add some text. We can add any disclaimer. I will say if you are filling the form, you are accepting that we to approach you over phone, email, WhatsApp, something like that. Okay, and the same shows up here. Okay, some text. Okay, so next after submitting, let people know what happens next. Thanks, you are all set. You can visit our website or exit the form now. Here, after submitting the form, people will see this message and you can customize this message also. You see that? Thanks, you're all set. You can visit our website or exit.
Screen
Yeah, yeah.
state.
Okay, so now once people submit the form, you can show a customized message to them, a customized very lengthy message, some bullet points in description here. This is some interesting. See, you are telling thanks for submitting the form, and then thanks your any message headline. This is some interesting piece of information that you can mention here, and this can be simply I'm writing some text. This can be anything of your choice. And now here see visit website or call business. So this visit website will become call now. See, after submitting the form also you can make them call to your number, right? And then create form. Number is needed since we have mentioned call now, call business. It's important we give the number. Okay. This is the only difference or only everything else is same. Only difference is you are building the form here in this campaign.
Yes.
And now you have control over what to display after filling the form and what has to be collected in the form. You can collect any kind of details of your choice. Okay.
Yes, sir. So after submitting their information,
Mm.
so where they go, the how we can collect that.
This thing. There will be a lead section here. Maybe I'll show it to you. So the data all goes to an Excel sheet, spreadsheet, and they will retain there for some time only, and you have to remove it. Sorry, you have to copy it to your. You can connect it to one of your CRMs also. Let me show it to you. Uh,
So we can download an app that is Prever app, and all the leads will be coming there. Only we can
no,
see
no, no, no,
all
no.
the.
You can see them here as well. Not about the app. That's other options are fine. The main thing you have to understand, right? No, you don't have to download any tool. You will get to see all the leads. Results, it shows like results here only. Wait. Here only it shows results. Something is happening automatically on my screen and I have to wait now. So what I'm showing you here is already a lead campaign. You will see the leads here, results. It will be clearly written as results. Yeah, you see here. You see here on Facebook leads,
Yes.
10 leads. Okay. Let me go to one of them. I'll show it to you. It's still loading. Downloading leads for new leads ads by date range. Okay. So now this is where you can connect it to a spreadsheet. Automatically the leads will be moving to the spreadsheet. Okay. Let me show it to you in the next class. But you all understood, right, where these leads are stored? They are passing that these leads to a CRM. Under the tool section, you can do that. You have to download and upload. Usually, people will not connect. They'll download and upload the lead it receives to your CRM also by connecting Facebook and your CRM. Okay, we'll explore those things in the upcoming class. Leads count 40, right? Download leads. See CRM setup. You see that here. Preview connection steps. See, we have a form. Just click on new integration. Google spreadsheet URL. So you just have to paste. So you have to paste a Google spreadsheet URL here, and automatically the data will flow there. We'll see. Not team trip. We'll see any other.
So, so we don't have to download the leads.
Yes, you don't have to download. It will automatically go to the spreadsheet or CRM setup. You have to click on new integration. Why it's showing Google spreadsheet only? Spreadsheet only, no other CRM integration. Okay. See, mainly these are all very easy to learn. The only thing you guys have to do is you should not be scared of doing anything, and you should be spending more time exploring more time on all of this. Right? Meat tastes better when it gets marinated for a long time. Same way, you have to get marinated in the process, in the system. You have to be spending more time on the platform. See, even I don't use this platform. It's been several years, almost a decade. Team works on all of this. So what happens? I'll lose that information. Eventually, in course of time, I'll forget a lot of things. Correct. So you should be all spending more time every day at the desk on all of these things. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the last campaign, what is that about? That's again app installation campaign. App installation campaign is very easy. Just you will be copying the app you can install. You can give the link of any app from App Store and Play Store. You just have to get the link and paste it over there. And which is the final one? There's one more, I believe. But app installation is one thing that which you have to look into, right? It's all easy. Probably we'll look into that in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so all of you sign up an account, Facebook account, and start exploring all of these features or options. You don't need an active account to explore all of this. Only to see the results, what's happening, you need it, and that is only 5%. 99% can be learned from this platform very easily. A lot of things can be explored, learned, and you can become guru in it. It's free to sign up, hence I suggest you all to sign up for free. Open a Facebook account, Facebook business page. All the steps are put on the sheet already on your notes. Okay, fine guys.
Yes.